PM Dhanadanya Krishi Yojana Goshimurkha Kendriya Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman je hangorogo production kom arawano cholinai samung botang chubamung manai 1.7 crore hokbar khlainai Ketal income tax bill no tui kotor goshmung finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman budget pace khlai furubo khwlaikha phai tongnai hatirogo income tax no tui tebo ketal bill phai mano abuni ulo finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman shaka o budget lukurokni bagai belai kheno kaham angnai budget ni nahar mungno angkha hakotani economy no bobo haike gobang khlai manai abuni logi budget to topically jati te burirokni bagai ketal bill pesh khlaika kendriya finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman ashalo budget pace khlaimani pulawano Sitharaman khwlaikha o budget gजार majani lukurokni phasing nahare rizakha 70% burirok samungbai kedalinani bagai bill pesh khlaika phai tongnai besibani bisingbo 1.5 lakh crore rang loan rizaknai hene shaka kendriya finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman
Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana developing agri districts program. Motivated by the success of the aspirational district program, our government will undertake a Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana in partnership with states. Through the convergence of existing schemes and specialized measures, the program will cover 100 districts with low productivity, moderate crop intensity, and below average credit parameters. It aims to 1. Enhance agricultural productivity, 2. Adopt crop diversification and sustainable agricultural practices, 3. Augment post-harvest storage at the panchayat and block level, 4. Improve irrigation facilities, and 5. Facilitate availability of long-term and short-term credit. This program is likely to help 1.7 crore farmers. Building rural prosperity and resilience. A comprehensive multi-sectoral rural prosperity and resilience program will be launched in partnership with the states. This will address underemployment in agriculture through skilling, investment, technology, and invigorating the rural economy. The goal is to generate ample opportunities in rural areas so that migration is an option but not a necessity. The program will focus on rural women, young farmers, rural youth, marginal and small farmers, and landless families. The details are in Annexure A.
Bureau Report, Kokhara.